Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trade your muffin for special rewards in Grow According to Game of Roblox Muffin Bake Event Update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. The Muffin Bake Off is finally here in Grow a Garden Full Harvest World. And first, you're going to bake muffin using this oven. And once you bake a muffin, you can trade your muffin for the rewards here. Okay, you're going to talk to this baker and then you're going to select view rewards. And each muffin will give you different reward, guys. For example, if you want to get this reward, the goodie bag, you need 3 blueberry muffins. And wait, let me show you the items from the goodie bag. Okay, from the goodie bag, you'll have chance to get these items. And then for the second muffin, is it's the pumpkin muffin. You can trade it for the sugar egg, and wow, the sugar egg can give you this pet. And if you're lucky, you'll get the rarest pet, which is the muffin man. And for the next reward, it's the sugar crate. It can give you cosmetics. And the last one is the rainbow muffin. You'll get 3 of the rewards I have explained. So just go to this baker and then you can trade your muffin for these special rewards. That's so cool. Okay, guys, and that's how you can trade your muffin for special rewards in Grow Garden to Game of Roblox Muffin Bake Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.